Well guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be adding some boxes and frames to the hive today. I know I'm not using the right stuff in the smoker, but it's what I have. And there's the gloves I was flipping out about. I ordered these boxes from Man Lake. Y'all see me put them together, the frames and all. Well, and I got plastic queen excluders. They're a lot calmer than it was the other day. I'm gonna take that middle board out. And put this frame back in, this box I mean. Then on this box, I got some frames I'm going to put in. One, two, three. I ordered these from Man Lake. I'm going to leave the feeder in for now. I don't know how many frames they're actually going to take. I know it won't take 10 since the feeders are in there. So 8 frames, that's what I thought it was. Then the queen excluder. Then we're going to add the new box. And it has 10 frames in it. all the honey. And put the lid back on. That's all I'm doing today. I've got to put some more fuel in here. You might want to get back for it. I forgot my hive tool, and that one's on there pretty good. Good thing I have a flathead screwdriver handy in my truck. I got one over there, so I just need 7 more. Later on. I didn't want to pull the hive apart today. Because I just did it a few days ago. It's been almost a week. I didn't want to pull all the frames out and everything. When I checked the week, I had larvae, cat brood. I had pollen, honey and nectar and pollen and stuff. Oh. But this time the bees were a lot nicer. I used the smoke before I did anything. Last time I didn't use the smoke. Ooh. I'm using pine shavings, and I know you're not supposed to use pine shavings, but that's what I have available right now at the moment. So that's what I was using. It burns up a little faster. I got the stuff ordered I need, but that's it today. I didn't want to disturb the hive too much, but when I looked at when I pulled the box apart last week and looked at it, there wasn't much room. And so that middle box, it holds a gallon and a quarter of bee feed. And so I left it in there because I filled it up last time and it's still about halfway full, and I've got 1 gallon left. The guy, when I bought the bees, gave me 3 gallons. And so I'm gonna go ahead and use up those 3 gallons on the bees before I take those out. And I've got frames to go in there. And I know usually those are your brood box. Usually it's a deep, but when I bought it, they come with the deep one and the medium box. And I just ordered another deep box, so I'm gonna do it backwards this year. I'm gonna go ahead and use a deep box as a honey super. Because I know these, technically the smaller box, are honey supers. And the white box is going to be honey supers. I got a queen excluder there below the white box. So the queen can't get up in there. She's got 2 boxes to lay in now. He did 9 frame in a 10 frame box. He said it gives more room. Well, the 2 middle boxes both got 8 frames in it right now because of the feeders. And the top box has got 10 frames. And we'll see how it goes. Let me... They're pretty calm right now. Woo. Thank you all for following along. Thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate it. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. Smash that like button and hit that and comment for all that YouTube analytics. I'm real close to getting monetized on my watch hours. So y'all help me out, please. Bonded Oak-Acres out.